Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make your own glass palette so you don't have to go out and buy a really expensive one. You will need some duct tape. If you want a fun design, you're going to have a fun design. And a piece of glass from either a frame, or you can go to a hardware store and ask them to cut you a piece to whatever size you want. And you also need a piece of foam board that you'll cut to the same measurements as your glass. First, you're either going to get your piece of glass, or if you bought a frame with glass in it, you're going to open up your frame and get that piece of glass out. Next, we're going to take our glass and line it up on our foam board and cut out a piece the exact same size as your glass panel. When you get your foam board all cut out to the correct size, you're going to place your glass on top, like so. And then you're going to take your tape and we're going to cover and attach the glass to the foam board with the tape. Now for the part I like most about having a glass palette is the cleanup after you're done painting. So you're going to take some glass cleaner like Windex, give it a good spray. And then take some paper towels. And your palette should be looking as good as new. It does kind of help to have some kind of razor blade or knife to kind of scrape at the paint, but I was fine just using some elbow grease. But yeah, so if you enjoyed this little DIY video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe for more art things. But I will see you next time.